Hello everyone, I am Tarun Valireddy. Welcome to my channel. Today we are at day 19 of 100 days of cloud by Kode Kloud. In the day 19 task, we need to attach an IAM policy to the IAM user. So let's start the task. Check the task here. Here an IAM user named John and the name the policy was IAM policy John. So we need to attach the policy to the IAM user. So this is the task. So click on console URL and try to log in using the username and the password. Now search for IAM. Click on IAM. And this is the IAM dashboard. We can check here the already users are created too and the 3 policies are being available. So this is the user, we need to attach the policy. Now click on the user and we need to click on add permissions. We need to click on add permissions. Now instead of adding to the group or copying the permissions, we need to attach the policies. So I'm choosing attach policies directly. Here the policies will be loaded once it is been completed. Actually the existing policies are not being shown in my account. That's why I'm using AWS CLI to complete this task. So for attaching a policy to the IAM user, we need the command. This is the command. We need to attach the policies to the IAM user, and here we need to change the name of the policy. That should be John, and the account ID we can get through it by logging to the AWS console. So we can see here the account ID will be available here. So that was 236330316854. Now try to change the name of the user, and that was John. IAM user John. Now simply click on enter, and it was successfully attached the policy to the user John. Now let's check the task. And see, we are successfully completed this task. If you really like my explanation, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching this video.